activities. Do you usually do outdoor activities? Which one is your favorite? Go camping. I go camping with my family. So exciting! Let's camp! Woo! Fly a kite. I fly a kite in the park. Up it goes, fly high. Yahoo! Feed the ducks. I feed the ducks at the pond. Here, ducky, quack, quack. Go fishing. I go fishing with my dad. Look, a fish. Catch one. Hike a trail. I hike a trail with my friends. Adventure time. Let's explore. Plant a garden. I plant flowers in the garden. So pretty. Grow, plants, grow. Play in the sand. I build sandcastles at the beach. Wow, so big. Sand fun. Ride a bike. I ride my bike around the park. We pedal fast. Watch the stars. I watch the stars at night. Starry night. Twinkle, twinkle. Have a picnic. I have a picnic with my family. Picnic time. Yummy food.
Ta-da!
Being outdoors is fun. Which outdoor activity do you like best? Review. Outdoor activities. Go camping. Fly a kite. Feed the ducks. Go fishing. Hike a trail. Plant a garden. Play in the sand. Ride a bike. Watch the stars. Have a picnic. Broom. I sweep the floor with a broom. Wow, so clean.